Yeah, everything is good, friends.
Yes,
Right.
Ravi.
Yeah. So get data. Let's take what is that? Get data. This is the method, and the return type I'm taking what? Void. Return type I'm taking what is that? Void, and one protected method. Let's take one protected method and print method I'm taking. Inside that print method, what we are doing now? Void, right? So this is our UML notation, friends. Okay, this is our and this is the class. Just take the open your notepad and write the code about this class and send in the chat box, friends. Don't bother about that. Okay, if wrong, if you guys are writing, that is also acceptable here, but keeping silent is not right. Sahil, correct. Just don't copy and paste. Direct, send to me direct, friends. Okay, direct in the message, because if you say the send everyone, right, everyone will see the code and like they will. Yeah, Ranjit. No, Ranjit, package statement is not right. Ranjit, package statement is not right. Com.rk.model, that is the fine. I'm not saying about that one, Ranjit. I'm saying about that you did not took what is that package keyword before the com.rk.model. Correct. Raja, correct. Okay, guys, no issues. Okay, series. Okay, how we can convert this one as a, how we will convert this one in the, yeah, Manohar, correct. Okay, now series. Okay, series. Whoever using the mobile, guys, I need from everyone in the like email, right? Email is like image of what their code. Okay, so now here let's see that how we can write it. Package com.rk.model com.rk.model. After then what is that? Plus symbol is there, right? So here we will take public employee class. Here we will take class employee, right? So inside this class we will take int private int eid, private string ename, private. In the real time like this only we are doing, friends. Okay, so that's why I'm giving like saying that do the practical, because I know that after the session no one is doing the practical. So private double e shell, right? After then what is that? public void get data, and this is the method. Another one is what? Protected void and a print. And this is like this we will write the class. Okay, like this we will write the class now. Okay, fine friends. Okay, so okay,
Ravi,
yeah,
if argumented method we have argumented method.
Don't worry, I'll come on that stage also. Okay,
Okay, Ravi.
yeah, don't bother about that one. So now, okay, now if like here, see this, it's having what is that body also, right? It's having body. If the class won't have the body, right? If interface, whenever we are designing, hey, someone is talking. Who's that? Anil. Yeah. So if whenever we are designing, this is the class designing we are doing, right? But if interface is there, how we can design it? If interface is there, how we can design it? Let's take the example, right? Let's take the example of that one also. Okay, fine now friends. So example third, right? Now, so here I'm taking what is that com dot rk dot, just let's take repository, right? So repo, let's take employee repo, employee repo. After then what is that? It's having what? Just method, right? Public method save in emp, which is the abstract method, and return type is int. And here what is that? Update emp, right? Update emp slash, right, and void. Okay, so now this one is there, and what we are doing, I presented this one as a interface. So can anyone write about this UML diagram code? Can anybody?
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, please. Please. Nagalake, someone is there. That is the correct. Your answer is correct. Okay, let's see the coding, friends. Okay, so package com dot rk dot repo, right? Com dot rk dot repo. Okay, someone, who's that? Raja. Raja, not right. Okay, not right. Okay, see this. Okay, no issues. Mistake is also fine. At least you are putting your effort in the session. That is the enough for me. That is the enough for me, right? That one is encouraging for me to take in the morning session, right? That is the encouraging for me, because here people are not showing laziness. That is the really happiness for me compared to our 2 p.m. classes, right? And the C strength also good only. So that's a good, very nice, friends. Okay. So here,
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, so it's encouragement for me, from friends, so from your side, right? Really, I appreciate your like strength and as well as activeness on the morning. I never think about that the people in the morning, the people can even the software engineers, right? In the morning, that was active. It's really, really appreciate appreciation for you guys. Okay, so now public interface employee repo, right? Employee repo. Because of this, right, if the same things is happened, I will continue my morning sessions, right? I will continue because once the project is completed, for the next things like design pattern or like data structure or anything, right? Morning I will start again. So if like that curiosity as well as strength as well as the people activeness, if I'm seeing that, right, definitely I will continue. So public interface employee repo, right? Repo. So now inside that method will be public. Inside that method will be public int shave emp, right? So this is the abstract method, friends, right? This is the abstract method. It's won't having the body because this is the interface, right? Come on. So this is the
Yes, sir.
public. Here I'm taking the return type as a void update emp, right? Emp, right? So if interface is there like this we will design it. Okay, if interface is there like this we will design it, friends. Okay, fine. Now friends, so normal. Okay, so I want from the everyone again. Hey, who's that? Repo Sunil. JPA repository implement extend. I'm not talking about the JPA repository. Why you given Sunil? Okay, just focus on the session. Okay, no issues. Okay, at least you, yeah, you given the answer. That is a fine for me. I appreciate you front of everyone. Okay, so really, it's a nice things on the morning, right? Morning time. At least the people is giving the responses. That is a matter a lot, friends. Okay, and it means a lot. Sorry, means a lot. So I appreciate you. Okay, but don't worry about that. Whatever I wrote about this one, just like this will things, like this things will happen. Okay, still I'm not explaining easy relation as a relation, so don't bother about that implementing repository, extending the repository. Whenever I will explain that one, just that time onward, if I say that, give like that answer. Okay, so now, okay, fine. Okay, guys. So by seeing this one, right? By seeing this one, just what I'm going to give it now, one more UML diagram I'm giving. Just design it. Last one, right? This is the last one based on that interface. Okay, then next discussion will happen. Okay, so here I'm taking that what again com dot just nothing. I'm like giving the UML notation, friends. Okay, you only like write the code and you only send to me, right? So com dot rk dot model I'm taking. After then just what is that? I'm taking what
Hospital.
product service, right? After then here I'm taking what? Get info, that is the string type. And here I'm taking what is that? Export data, and the return type is void. I'm taking, right? Void I'm taking.
Sir, method name you missed, like after export data.
No, that is the local variable inside a method, no?
No, it's missed that braces,
It's a mistake.
closing, opening
Yeah,
braces.
braces missed. Yes.
Where I missed braces?
After export
Export
data.
data.
After export
data.
data, that opening and closing braces.
Yeah, correct,
parenthesis.
correct.
And Ravi, one more thing, this is service, right?
Sorry.
This is the service class, right?
Yeah, don't bother about
Then we need
anything.
to no. Then we need to like I think package name also like a form.rk.service.
Don't bother about anything. Whatever I wrote, just convert in
Or
the
it's okay.
code, right? Just convert in the code. Nothing I'm giving the things, okay? Just convert in the code and send to me. Send in the chat box. That's it. Yeah, Sandeep, correct. Shahil, correct. Nagalik, correct, but you should follow the coding standard also. See that in the UML how I wrote the product service, same like should not a small letter first. First letter should not a small letter in the class or interface. That is correct, right? Otherwise everything is correct. You should follow the coding standard also, because sometime the interviewer is like giving some task for the checking the coding standard purpose only. They giving the some task and they are saying that share your screen and write some code, like that simple code they will give. And whenever you will write the code, at the time only they will know that how many years of you have experience, as well as like how much you know that like the things are not coding standard, all those things, everything we are observing, friends, okay? Okay, now let's see that. Okay, let's see that package com.rk.service. Sorry, our model, right? Yeah, here I wrote the service plan. Satish said, right? Model I wrote. No issue. Friends, we are writing the service class, then why we will take the model? We'll take the service, right? Service, okay? So here, service. Okay, service. Now I'm taking the public interface
Product service.
product service, right? Product service. Inside that, I'm taking public get info, sorry, public string get info, that is abstract method. Another one is what? Public export data, that is
Void
Wide.
that is void type, right? That is void type. Okay, friends. So now I'm just asking, right? How many way we can implement inheritance now, friends? How many we can implement inheritance? Two way, right?
Two ways.
Easy
ways.
and has a. So
yes, yes.
As
As
a
a
yeah, so simple. Let's understand inheritance concept using easy relation, right? Using, till now anyone having doubt?
no.
No.
Okay, so inheritance, let's understand what is that inheritance. Inheritance is nothing but what is that? we will understand about that easy. Okay, fine now, friends. Okay, so here what is that? Class is there, here class is there, and here class is there, right? Here class and a class is there. In this time, what we are using now? We are using extend keyword now, friends. Come on, extend keyword, right?
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
We are using
Yes.
what is that? Extends keywords. Or if interface is there, if interface is there
Implement.
and a
Mhm.
interface is there, still we are using what is that? Extend keyword, right? Come on. If interface is there,
Yes,
we are
Ravi.
using extend.
And
Or if class is there, then also we are using what is that? Extend keyword,
Extend and
Extend.
Yes.
right? Okay, now
Yes,
in
Ravi.
interface and a class is there, then which keyword we are using now to make the teaser relation? Hmm?
Implement.
Implement.
Yeah,
Implement.
we are using implement. We are using what is that? Implements. Okay, fine now, friends. Okay, so here what is that? If class and interface is there, then
Implements.
Implement.
implement. Implement, Ravi.
please give the
No.
Not
everyone.
possible, Ravi.
No,
Not
Ravi.
possible.
Not possible. Right? Not possible. That is not applicable, right? That is not applicable.
Yes, Ravi.
Class and interface not extending and implementing is not possible, friends. Okay, so simple, right? Simple. So simple, right? Simple. How we are writing these things now? How we are writing now? Just assume that here what is that? One notation is there, right? Just diagram I'm giving, friends. Okay, now later we will focus about that one. Okay, so this is one notation is there, and another notation also I'm taking. Two notations are there, right? Two notations are there. Between two notations, what we will do it now? In between, if is a relation is there, right? It will represent like this. Is a relation is there, right? It will represent like this. So this one can be class, this one can be class, this one also can be class, this one can be interface, and this one can be class, right? Or this one also can be interface, this one also can be interface, and this one also can be interface. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
So
Yes, Ravi.
if class, sorry, let's write this one here, this one. If interface is there, let's write ei. If class or interface is there, then which keyword we will use it now? Extend
Extend.
keyword,
Extends.
right? So if interface and a class is there, then what annotation we will sorry, what
Implements.
keyword we will use?
Implements.
Not possible.
Implement. Implement.
Why not possible?
It's possible.
Super class is
That's
super class is an interface, and a child class is like a class, then it's possible, right?
Possible, Ravi. Yes, Ravi.
So same like, okay, so if the like notations is there in the is a relation, how we will code it, right? How we will code it? So for that, first I'm going to design one. What is that? com.rk.com.rk. Let's take service I'm taking. After that, don't bother about that method, guys. Okay, just focus on about that how we will design the code. Okay, so let's take admin service. Okay, this is one interface, right? This is one interface. This is one interface. Here I'm giving the notation of interface. Okay, fine now. So, and here just com.rk.service.impl. I'm writing, and here I'm taking admin service IMPL. This is two notations are there, right? Between what is that? Easy relation is there.
Yes.
Between easy relation is there, and this one is a class now. So just first I'm giving, don't bother about that, right? First I'm writing the code about this class, this notation. We are converting this notation in the coding format, right? So how we will package com.rk.service, right?
Service.
And
Yes.
Yes, sir.
now public
In
interface
public interface
interface admin
Admin service.
admin service. Okay, so this is
Yeah.
the just
inter
this is the interface. Don't bother about the method. Still I'm not writing any method. Okay, this is the
Yes.
coding design of what is that interface. And
interface.
whenever we will design this class, what it will be, so package
Package
com.rk.service
rk.service.impl
IMPL, right? And
So has class
public
public
class
class
admin service IMPL
IMPL
admin service IMPL. And here
Implements.
what we will do it now, we will use the implement keyword.
implements
Implements
admin service.
yeah,
service
very good.
Admin service.
admin service.
Like this we will write
Yes.
it. Okay, like this
Public
we will
resource.
write it. Okay friends, so now okay fine, okay, I'm giving to you people, right? Now I'm giving one example because 1 minute. Actually I set the alarm because in one of the companies there, right, 8 to 9 I'm giving in that company both mobile. 1 minute, my both mobile is giving the alarm, right? Because I said that at what time what is there, so because now after 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock one of one is the software company is there I'm giving the training also that only. But don't worry, that training is a paid training, friends. Okay, that training is paid training, that one is not free. So my mobile like giving the alarm to me. Okay guys, so
Plan, Ravi.
yeah, so fine now friends. Okay, so okay, one more example I'm giving to you people. Okay, so just com.rk dot, let's take repo, right? So I'm taking here, what is that? Code repository. Code repository, right? Okay, so this one will be the
interface.
that one will be interface.
Interface.
Okay, let's take here, what is that? com dot rk dot repo dot impl. I'm taking, and I'm taking the class name as a
Model class.
repository, right?
Employee repository.
Employee repository. Employee repository.
Repository. Yes.
Convert this one in the code format, because just now I given, right? So you guys also do the practical now itself only and send to me in the chat box, and a little bit fast, friends. Okay, I'm exceeding my time because I have another in the company I need to give the training there itself only, because their employee are there, they are waiting. And here, what is that? Easy relation is there. Easy relation is there. Nav Lake public interface code repository. Very good. Nav Lake, very nice. Shahid Sharma. Very nice, Shahid Sharma. Shandeep. Good, Sandeep. Nagalakshmi. Okay, Nagalakshmi. Actually, in my chat box, just showing it's right. Naga, after then space, yeah, LAKS, just only after then dot like that. So that's why I'm pronunciating. Okay. Okay, fine, friends. Okay, so now fine. Everyone is given the right answer, friends. Okay, so everyone satisfied with today's session, friends?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Okay, friends. So I'm stopping the session because I have another meeting with the company, right? One of the companies there I have the meeting, friends. So
Okay.
now we will continue with the same meeting ID tomorrow, right? Meeting ID will not change, friends. Same meeting ID for the end of like a project. For this project, this same meeting ID will be there. Now practice this one, and I will upload these things in the classroom drive. If anybody need, download it and practice it. Okay. So now I'm stopping the session, friends. See you tomorrow. Okay, bye guys.
Sure,
Thanks,
Ravi.
Okay,
Thank you,
Ravi.
everybody.
Thanks, Ravi.
Thank you, Ravi.
Thank you.
Bye bye bye.